Recording? Okay, I'm gonna eat it. First ever oyster.
You don't take a bite. Slurp the whole thing.
It's not slurping. Maybe I need a fork. Here we go. Fork my oyster. Here we go.
You can eat it again.
Very picky.
Huh?
Not a fan.
Farther along, I know all about it. Farther along, understand why. So cheer up, my brothers, live in the sunshine. We'll understand this all by and by. Tempted and tried, I wondered why the good man dies, bad man thrives, and Jesus cries 'cause he loves them both. We're all castaways in need of rope, hanging on by the last threads of our hope, in a house, a mirror full of smoke, confusion, illusion.